So the first thing you want to do is you want to turn your PS5 off completely. You don't want it in rest mode. You want it in off mode. Everything turned off, no lights turned on. Once that happens, you want to go ahead and hold down the power button until you hear 2 beeps. Once you hear those 2 beeps, go ahead and plug in your PS5 controller via USB into the system, and you should load up and you should see the safe mode menu right here. Now, you have a few different options when restarting your PS5, changing your video output settings. You can also update the system software offline this way as well too. Restore default settings. You can clear cache and rebuild your database, reset your PS5, and you can reset your PS5 reinstalling system software. And we'll go over some of these individually because there is some details to them, and I want to make sure you guys get the right information for that. But for now, check out all these other PS5 videos that we have in this playlist, and I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching.